Okay, guys, welcome to our day two of Singapore vlog. First order of business is to get coffee, and we found a specialty coffee shop here just nearby. It's called the Dutch Colony. Later on as well, mamamasyal tayo. And sorry about that. Akala ko tinatawag na yung name namin for coffee. Okay, today's weather is pretty nice, although it's kind of gloomy. But we checked the weather update, hindi naman siya mag-rain. So, hopefully, it's just gonna stay like this para hindi masyado mainit for the entire day. Samahan niyo ako today for day 2 natin sa Singapore. Bye.
Is that the seat?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, man.
Okay, so we got our coffee. It's just a simple cafe latte. And try it out. So good. So there's a queue here. The queue is actually very long. Just to take a photo here. Look at that. So if you're planning to go here, I don't know, maybe be early or try some other time. But yeah, this is what you're gonna get here sa Fort Canning Retreat Tunnel. Winarning nang tunay yung mga taong huwag pumunta dito kasi. Zia! Zia, say hello! Zia! Where are you going, Zia? In Singapore? Huh? Nandito tayo ngayon sa Chinatown, naghahanap ng makakainan. Sabi nila, pag Sunday daw, maraming naka-close. So, check out natin kung actually maraming nang close. So, marami din namang open. So, guys, dito sa Chinatown, hindi pwedeng card. Alam number 6? 1. Aha. Okay, so what we're gonna have here is I think ano to, pork, braised pork or roasted pork, I don't know. $6 lang siya. So again, pag Sunday maraming sarado. But buti na lang may mga ibang stores na open. We'll try it out. So may roasted pork tayo dito, some noodles, wonton, and soup. Tingnan natin kung ano in-order ni ng Kea. Zia! Ganun din in-order nila. Ha? Chicken yan? Okay, tatry natin tong roasted pork. Okay, medyo umaraw no today. Nasa Chinatown pa rin tayo. And I think pupunta kami ng Little India. Isang araw. Hey, Zia. Where do you want to go? You're going where? Ano daw? Sorry, park. Tayo ngayon ay nasa Little India. It's not so little. Ang goal daw dito ay makabili ng perfume. I don't know. Sabi nila mura. We're here sa Little India. Papakita ko sa inyo yung itsura. Oh, loob ba yan?
Hindi ko po na Mustafa.
Oo.
Pagpabango. O Diyos ko, ang tapang-tapang ng pabango. Meron sa loob, marami.
Hindi yung mga original na pabango na.
Mga original. Kasi pag ano meron, alam ko, Lucky Plaza, Utang Pilis.
We found it sa may kanto ng Verdun Road at Hied Alwi Road. Tingnan natin, like ito mga Abercrombie, ano, I think it's $49 with of cool water. This is a 2 for $65. So ito, 212 men, Carolina Herrera, $85, so parang 3,900. Here at the Marina Bay Sands. We're just gonna walk. Okay, dito tayo sa Marina Bay Sands. Pero andito na to. Wala na tubig. Init. Okay, so punta tayo sa nandito tayo ngayon sa Marina Bay Sands Shops and pupunta tayo ngayon sa Gardens by the Bay. It's currently almost 3 p.m. Sobrang init sa labas, sobrang init talaga. Pero wala eh. Ito lang yung time natin makapamasyal. So I think we're just gonna walk the crossway, the open crossway. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I remember this one na. Look! Nice. May bubuyog. May bubuyog na umahabol sa akin. Hello. Okay. Andito tayo sa Flower Dome. Saan muna tayo? Sa Cloud Forest o sa Flower Dome?
Cloud Forest.
Cloud Forest. So, punta muna daw kami sa Cloud Forest. So, from the entrance, going here, may option kayo to get a shuttle. It's $3 per head. Or if you want to walk, around 800 meters. Pero since pagod na, nag-shuttle na lang kami. Worth it, I would say. So, magka-Cloud Forest and then yung garden. Saan tayo pupunta?
Sa Singapore.
Ngek. Sabi ni Zia. Zia, you want to go to Singapore? Yes. Jurassic World, the experience. Dati, nung walang Jurassic World. So huge. Ba't kaya yung mga lagi nakaganon? Hawakan natin siya. Ayan na, here's the T-Rex. The Tyrannosaurus Rex. Look. What's that?
T-Rex.
Okay. Say hi to the T-Rex. Say hi. Hi. Hello. Zia, are you having fun?
Yes.
Huh? You like it here in Singapore?
This is not Singapore.
Is it your birthday? Kiss Ninong. Run, Trisha! Run! The T-Rex is chasing you! Run! The T-Rex is chasing you! Pagod na. Pero we still have time. Dito tayo ngayon sa Flower Dome, the biggest sky garden. I think so. I'll take you out here. So, yung binili naming ticket via Klook includes this na. So, yung Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. I think if you convert to that to peso, that's around 2,000 pesos. 2,094, parang ganun. And you get to experience both. So if you're planning your itinerary, when you go here, so nahin nyo na yung Cloud Forest or Cloud Dome, and then follow the, you can go here sa Flower Garden. And then later in the afternoon or medyo evening, pag may lights na, you can actually go to this Super Tree because it has some light shows, so it's very appealing to the eyes when you go there. And the plan is after that, we are also gonna go to the Marina Bay Lights Spectre something. I think that's what it's called. So may light show, and then we're gonna have dinner sa Maxwell. So one of the famous hawker here in Singapore. Say hi. Please. I think the concept of the flower garden is lahat ng, not really lahat, but majority are species in the world. So kanina, American garden ang tawag dito. We're just gonna rest. Isang araw,
Mama.
ano sa Cubao, pip pip pip, pip pip pip. Nakapag-rest na kami and makapag-McDo. Super Tree Grove. Yan. Super Tree Grove. Nakakapagod. Alam mo, grabe, sobrang sakit na ng paa ko. Tapos, buti na lang pinsan ko may dalang ng salon pass. Ilagay ko sa may paanan.
It's a pattern so long, 'cause I can't pretend anymore. What does it matter?
And that's day 2 of our Singapore trip. Maglalakad lang pa uwi, going to Lau Pao Satellite just to have something to eat. And tomorrow we are excited because we're gonna do Universal Studios. It was a tiring day today, but all worth it. So looking forward to share with you guys this travel again. Till next time. Peace out.